Hi everyone. So I want to show you the website Quizlet, and here we have our home screen. And what's great about Quizlet is not only you could search for games that are already people have already created and shared, but you also could create your own set of to help you reinforce any material that you have in your school in your class. So here are some um, different subjects that I looked up. And so here we can look at the one. If you go to the search option up here, you could put in a subject, any subject that you want, or browse. And then here it shows you all the different subject areas. You could do it in math, science, languages, and we want to look at this set on the present tense. If you have a class on the present tense and everything that comes part of it. So they have a section here with study. So here they have flashcards, with the students can relearn different past tense, present tenses. They can write it, spell, and also test their knowledge on it. And in here they also have a couple different games that they can play to reinforce what they just learned. One thing I love is a live game that you can play that you could set up as individuals and as teams. And students are able to, you could send this to students and the link to them. Students is also an app, and they can, you can use it to see how well a specific student knows the material, but also that they can, you can also play in teams in class, which is really great. And also another great thing is we go back to our home screen. So that's how you would look at something that already was created. You can also find it in the search field here. Type in anything. Let's say we want to do the past tense. Search it. And then here we could find different games or different sets to go along with past tense. This is for Spanish past tense. And then also let me just show you how to create your own. So here are your classes, and here you can your tests. This is a test class I made, and I can add a study set that goes specifically to go along with this class. And here are the members, and I can send this link to my students so that they can know they can have access to any of the sets, and then also I could test their progress of any classes that we have, which is great. And what's great, I think you could link this to Google Classroom and get different members, different other ways. So this is really good. So you can set up all your classes this way, and folders where you could probably organize any set that you created on your own. And here you could create your own study set and any subject or topic, and again, students can access it anywhere if they have the app on their phone or any type of tablet. Create your study set, and again, you can enter in your title, add a description. You can add a picture, get a picture from your computer that you might have, and it's really great, great way to reinforce key vocabulary. I think in a class, in a lesson, or because again, any type of skill set that you want students to practice outside of the classroom or while they're in class. So thank you very much.